What is up, you guys? As you can see from the title, I'm going to be building another computer. I'm going to be building a mineral oil computer. I finally overclocked my computer to its depth. It is dead, RIP. But I need a computer because I'm sitting in my house. I don't know what to do. All my friends are roasting me. I'm trying to play Melee. It's ridiculous. So without further ado, we're just going to get right into it. So first things first, I'm going to start off with 3D modeling some brackets for the computer. Now I'm going to set up the 3D printer for printing out these brackets. That first layer is looking good as fuck. You already know the print's gonna come out good. Now I'm just gonna put the CPU in the motherboard and put the fan on and put the RAM in. Alright, so here we are with the computer right now. I got the motherboard, CPU, and RAM in. I got the little brackets holding it in. I have this right here where there's going to be a little button, the on-off button. This little caution drip sign just for fun. I'm going to cut this. I have a radiator right here, but the radiator is super dirty, so I'm going to have to blow that all out. Yeah, that shit's looking gross. And then the last thing I gotta do is just transfer all the parts over from this old computer. This is my old mineral oil computer. It started leaking, so I had to drain it. But if you look in there, you can see it's a little bit wet still. I got a couple of little buttons in here. I'm just gonna solder this one up and then we should be good. I ran out of canned air, so I just gotta go wash this off, but this shit's fucked. It's super dirty in there. So I got the radiator clean, I got the fan clean, so now I'm gonna pop them in. Alright guys, got everything plugged in. About to do the first startup. Hopefully I don't blow anything up. Alright, good sign. Alright, first time the fan was hitting something, so let's try it again. Son of a bitch. Alright, got the whole computer running, now it's time to pull it up. I looked up a guy how to print some cool stickers. And that's pretty much the build. Looking dope. Max drip going on. I got the 6 stickers. LEDs, a total vibe. If you want to see other cool stuff I make, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be making a ton of cool stuff.